I'm Dr. Vijayalakshmi, working as an associate professor in the Department of Basic Science in Vishnu Institute of Technology, Bhimavaram. Phonetics means study and classification of speech sounds. Phoneme is one of the smallest units of speech. Do you know the answer for the question, is English a phonetic language? No, English is not a phonetic language as there is no one-to-one correspondence between speaking and writing. In Indian languages, we pronounce every letter of the word. We can easily write or speak in Indian languages because every sound we speak or we write has its corresponding letter. In English, many a time, some letters in writing are silent in pronunciation. For example, B is silent in the words like climb, C in the words like muscle, D in the words like sandwich, G in the words like sign, H in the words like rhyme, L in the words like calm, and so on. Remember that those are not silent all the time. For example, the letter E is pronounced in the words like 10, but not pronounced in the words like time. Therefore, you can understand that the letters the English people write and the sounds they pronounce do not match. In brief, unlike Indian languages, English has two separate systems, spelling and pronunciation. For the spelling system, English has got 26 letters in its alphabet, whereas for its pronunciation system, there are 44 phonemes, out of which 24 are consonant sounds and 20 are vowel sounds. These 20 vowels are again classified into two types, monophthongs and diphthongs. In this chart, yellow color square represents 12 pure vowels. Among them, blue color squares with 2 dots are long vowels and violet color are short vowels. Another name given to these long and short vowels is monophthongs. Orange color square represents 8 diphthongs, which means combination of 2 pure vowels. Red color square represents consonants. Among them, sea green color squares are voiced consonants and olive green are voiceless or unvoiced consonants. And in the last line, black colored squares represent miscellaneous sounds such as nasal, glottal, semivowels, etc. In this chart, monophthongs and diphthongs examples are provided. Monophthongs are E in fish, E in tree, A in cat, A in car, O in clock, O in horse, U in bill, U in shoe, A in computer, A in bird. It is the combination of R plus vowel. A in peg and A in up. Diphthongs are A in train, O in phone, I in cycle, OW in owl, OI in boy, ear in ear, air in chair, and ua in poor. I give you an idea for your personal practice, that is, write 3 words for each sound. For example, use the particular sound as word initial, word middle, and word final. You need not search for new words in the dictionary or in the internet. Just use search in your mind. This chart is for your practice. After your practice, listen to me. A in car, A in cat, A in bed, E in bin, E in bee, A in cup, A in bird, A in mother, A in mop, A in door, U in book, and U in moon. In this chart also, more examples of monophthongs are provided. You see the picture, utter the word, and check the pure vowel in your pronunciation. I think you are aware of all the monophthongs now. Rigorous practice is needed because we have intralingual inference, which means our mother tongue influence on English language. We have to rectify our errors by practicing these sounds. Neutralization of accent should be your mission in practicing. Diphthongs practice is provided in this chart. A diphthong is a sound formed by the combination of two vowels in a single syllable, in which the sound begins as one vowel and moves towards another. That's why it is also known as a gliding vowel. In these 8 diphthongs, the tongue moves during pronunciation. Examples for the diphthongs are A in take, I in buy, oi in boy, ear in fear, air in care, in go, ua in poor, and ow in cow. 3 examples are given in the other chart for each sound. Ear, queer, here, and near. Air, square, there, and stayer. Ua, newer, sure, and mania. A, daily, make, and lay. I, my, try, and sigh. Oi, noise, boy, and oyster. O, no, to, o. Ow, now, trout, and bow. Now we are in consonants practice. For our convenience, we divide 24 consonants into 2 categories, such as voiced and voiceless. Do you observe 2 different colored squares here? Green colored squares represent voiceless sounds and blue represent voiced sounds. Pa, fa, sa, ka, ta, sha, sa, cha, and ha are voiceless sounds. Ba, va, za, ga, da, ja, la, ma, da, ra, na, va, nya, ja, and ya are voiced sounds. Voiceless sounds are pa in parrot, fa in flower, sa in snake, ka in keys, ta in shirt, sha in shine, tha in thumb, cha in chess, and ha in heart. Voiced sounds are ba in basket, va in vase, za in zebra, ga in girl, da in dog, ja in television, la in lamb, ma in monkey, ta in mother, ra in ring, na in nose, nya in sing, ja in joy, and ya in yacht. Consonants practice is provided in this chart. Look here in the chart, first letter is P. If it is a letter, we pronounce it as a P. Or if it is a sound, we pronounce it as a Pa. Pa in pin, Ba in bad, Ta in tin, Da in dog, Fa in five, Va in van, Tha in thin, Da in that, Ma in man, Na in nose, Nya in thing, Ha in half, Cha in church, Ja in jam, Ka in kind, Ga in gun, Sa in say, Za in zoo, Sha in ship, Ja in measure, La in leg, Ra in run, Va in work, and Ya in S. If you like my videos, please do subscribe. Thank you.